Okay, I've just got off the bus there and this is my first look at Warsaw. Bit big. Looks very fast. Noisy. But I'm on my way now to look for a hostel and I think it's 3 kilometers that way. Okay, guys, it's now 4 o'clock. I've made my way to Chill Out Hostel. It cost I think about €10. And this is their little balcony. Old Town is this direction and I'm going to take a walk up there. There's Warsaw Central Station. All them new buildings. Yeah. And old. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. It's really important to remember markers, especially in big cities. I know from that big building there, my hostel is about 6 or 7 minutes to the left. It should be some fun like whenever I'm backtracking because I keep going down all these little streets. And yeah, it's pretty nice. That's another marker for my walk back. I'm still trying to find Old Town. But I hear music and usually that's the way to go. If I'm correct, that's the Cranberries. I definitely get the feeling that I'm back in the city. Lovely little square. Everybody chilling out, having a good time. I still haven't found Old Town. I know that it's down this direction. That way. So I'm going to go that way and check out, see what's there. But this place is nice. This little city's got a nice vibe about it. There's a DJ playing there later. Little restaurant. Loads of people hanging around this part. Yeah, it has a nice feel to it. There's that big building there. And this looks to be Old Town. You can see that. I definitely took the scenic route, but it was a lovely walk. Yeah, it's quite nice. Okay, just after walking up those stairs there, I'm knackered, so I have to make another video. I've definitely reached the Old Town section. Yeah, it's buzzing. I've made it into Old Town Square. Lots of little restaurants. Beautiful. Really cool. Oh, isn't this cute? Oh, really nice. Lots of beautiful little streets. But yeah, I like this chapel or church. Lots of these long streets. But there's loads of restaurants and pubs. Yeah, it's quite nice. I must say though, the atmosphere here is pretty cool. So beautiful. Haha. Irish pub. This is a really beautiful city just to have a walk around. I'm on my way back to the hostel now. I was walking for a while and I realised I had the sun on my face. So I realised that was the wrong direction. So now I've got the sun at my back and I should find my hostel soon. So a good thing about McDonald's is that if you get here, like, you'll always have free Wi-Fi. And now I can use the free Wi-Fi to figure out where KFC is. Okay, so I couldn't find the KFC and I found a little local shop. I got a chocolate dessert, a packet of tobacco, I got 2 hot dogs, I got a microwave burger, 2 cans of beer and milk. This came to around €9, which is not too bad. This is the little staircase on the inside of the building. The hostel is up the next set of stairs. But aren't they so beautiful? Okay, it's now 7:15 in Warsaw on a Tuesday morning. I woke up early because people were getting ready anyway. I'm planning on getting a train to Lodz, which is just west of here. I think it's 2 hours west. Yeah, I've had a pretty good time in this hostel. Apart from whenever I checked in, the girl handed me a bedspread, pillow cover, and a bed cover, and she's all like, yeah, you gotta put them on yourself, and if you don't do it, you're gonna get fined. I found that a wee bit funny, like, you know. But well, breakfast today, I have my honey nut lips, which I got in Latvia. I have granola, which someone actually gave me in Estonia, and fresh apples. They have free tea and coffee, and then I also have a dessert. So yeah, all good here. Okay, so I've just got off the train there after, I don't know, about 2 hours, and I've came to the city of Lodz. Not much of a tourist city, but it still has a lot of beauty to it. Oh, this is one of the nicer buildings. It's pretty cool looking. Oh, there's a little gem of the city. Oh, I like that. This place has the look of just a big city. But yeah, still quite nice. Now, usually in Prague we wouldn't shop in this Sapka place here because it is usually very expensive. But here in Lodz, they're everywhere, and I can't find any other supermarkets. So I got some bread, cheese for my lunch. I got a yogurt. Happy! And I got like a custard and strawberry slice. Altogether cost about €4. It's pretty good. Okay, so I'm in the small city of Lodz, which was just west of Warsaw. I stayed here last night. I stayed in a place called the Music Hostel. And it's actually got a lot of Ukrainian people staying here, like, you know. And yeah, it's mostly women and children. The Polish have brought in something like 3 million Ukrainians. And yeah, the hostel itself is actually okay. You know, like a few of the boys had a wee bit of a drink last night, which made sleeping a little awkward. But other than that, this hostel was fine. It's 7:30 in the morning, and I've decided to walk to a train station that will take me to another city called Wroclaw or something like that. It's about 3 hours to the southwest. I've just realised that my backpack is quite heavy. I've stocked up on bread and cheese and this kind of thing, and it's getting a wee bit heavy now for this 5-kilometre walk. So what I've had to do is get rid of all the heavy stuff. Cheers, guys. Okay, so after a walk through the centre, 2 trains, I'm now on a train to Wrocław, which is 3 hours to the west. And considering it's only 9 in the morning, I'm doing quite well. I've also got my bread, I've got my cheese, I've got crisps, I've got a bottle of water, I've got some chocolate. So after a pretty busy morning, could you say, it's now time to chill. Okay, so I've been on this trek now for, must be nearly 3 weeks. And I've noticed that, yeah, my clothes are starting to get a little grotty. And the other 2 pairs of tracksuit bottoms that I actually brought with me, I'm pretty sure both of them are wet. But, you know, little doggy's comfortable. He's quite happy. Yeah, I can also charge everything. So, yeah, all good. Okay, while I was sitting very comfortably in my chair there, the ticket lady came up to me and she kind of looked at my ticket and she's all like, you're not first class. Oops. I was sitting in the first class section. But right next to it now, there's actually a little cafe. I managed to get myself a coffee, a little biscuit. I refused her plastic spoon and plastic packaging and things like, you know. It cost about 10 zloty, I think, which is about €2.50. Or €2. Next up, Wrocław. Okay, so I've just got out of the train station there at Wrocław. I'm now southwest Poland. Very nice. Yeah. The station was very, very difficult to get out of. I arrived at platform 2 and I saw this building here and I was like, aha, go that direction, down the stairs, up the stairs to platform 1, and the building was closed. So I had to go back up to platform 2 and ask someone, and he said I had to walk to the end of the platform and take the other stairs. Bit weird, but yeah, okay. Done. Okay, so I found the hostel, Grandpa's Hostel, the place where I'm going to be staying tonight. I'm a little bit early for check-in, so I thought, like, yeah, sit down, have a cup of coffee, because I'm a little bit tired. Got myself a large coffee, and a chocolate and jam donut. Yeah, pretty nice. The hostel, Grandpa's Hostel, I booked it on booking.com and it's about €9, which is pretty good. I'd like to say a big thank you to Cathal Doherty, who bought me a coffee. Cheers, thank you. Also a big thank you to John Nash. Cheers for the coffee, man. And also cheers to David Rutherford for buying me a coffee. Thanks, man. Also cheers to Shuey Barber, a good friend of mine from Derry, and he asked me to say a few things. And this comes from the book of John, chapter 3, verse 16. For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, and whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Guys, thank you very much for your generous donations. I love you all, and have a good day. Okay, this seems to be Old Town Wrocław. I'm going to go looking now for a main square. Oh, there is a special kind of beauty in this little square. Wow. Oh, I'm very happy I stopped in this little city. Some kind of square. And there's some kind of towers. Okay. I'm going that way. Not too sure if this is an old castle or whatever it is. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. I like the colours. There seems to be so many nice things. I might stay here for an extra day. Really nice looking place. I like it. Oh, this is another one of these cities that you could just walk around like. So nice. Seems pretty relaxed here. Here is the Irish pub. This place is bigger than first expected. Like, there's one square up there, which is pretty nice. Like that market square. You've got a square here. Then you come to another one. And there's another one down here. The place is pretty big. Wow. Really nice. It's just street after street of these beautiful buildings. Lots of little squares and totally beautiful. What a little gem of a city. Okay, so my hostel was fully booked today, and while checking for other hostels, I noticed that the price went up. It's because it's nearly weekend, and yeah, I think this is a pretty popular place. So what I did was I booked the next bus to Prague, and I had a few coins left over, so I went into the local supermarket. The bus is 4 hours from here to Prague, so I got myself a slice of pizza, and I got myself one of these, and one of these, one of these, and one of these. This all cost about €4, and that's me well sorted until I get to Prague. I've had a great time here in Poland. Great place.